The CEO has promised that any increase in revenues from investments in 2008 will go toward increasing the R&D budget. Assume that revenues from investment increased by 40% from 2007 to 2008, and that these additional funds are the only change to the R&D budget. By what percent does the R&D budget increase? So we're saying that these revenues, $53,000, increased by 40% from 2007 to 2008. I'm just going to approximate that as 50. And of course, let's see, 10% of 50 is 5, 20% of 50 is 10, so that means 40% of 50 is 20. So it goes from 50 to 70, and this additional $20,000 goes into R&D. So R&D gets an additional $20,000, and that $20,000 is an increase of what percent? In other words, what is the percent of 20 over 75? Now, you might be tempted to reach for your calculator again, but let's slow this down. Let's think about this. 75, 10% of 75 is 7.5. 20% would be twice that, 15. If we add another 7.5, that would be 30%, 22.5. So it means that 20 is somewhere between 20% and 30%, because this is 10%, 20%, and 30% of 75. So we need an answer between 20 and 30, closer to 30, and that very accurately describes the correct answer choice D.